In this video, I am going to show you how to play Assetto Corsa with the Meta Quest 3. First, ensure that your Meta Quest 3 headset is fully charged and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next, you will need to install a PC VR application like Oculus Link or Virtual Desktop on your PC. Once the software is installed, connect your Meta Quest 3 to your PC using a USB-C cable or set up Virtual Desktop for wireless play. If you're using Oculus Link, select Enable Link when prompted in the headset. For Virtual Desktop, launch the app on your headset and connect to your PC. Next, launch Assetto Corsa on your PC. Ensure that your racing wheel and pedals, if you have them, are properly connected to your PC and recognized by the game. In Assetto Corsa, go to the Settings menu to configure the controls, adjusting them for optimal performance with your racing setup. Once everything is set up, you can put on your Meta Quest 3 headset and immerse yourself in the racing experience of Assetto Corsa. Enjoy the thrill of racing in virtual reality. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.